Welcome to Computer Programming with Sharon. Today we will see how to solve problems. So first I'm taking one problem. I need to find out the sum of odd and even numbers from first n natural numbers. That means like n natural numbers we already know, like that is 1, 2, 3, 4. From those numbers we have to add our odd numbers separate and even numbers separate. Just imagine like here n values 4. So the natural numbers will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are declared some variable called n to read the n value, and for iteration we are declaring some I value which will change from 1 to 4. Now we need to add the odd and even. So even sum I will save inside the ES and odd sum will save inside the odd variable. Here first number I value is 1, so this should be added to the odd number, odd sum. Second number is 2, so that is even number. Third number is 3, so we need to add to this one. Then 4, it's an even number, so we need to add to this one. So here we can find out the even sum is 6 and the odd sum is 4. Now we will implement this using the program. So first we have to read the number. This we already discussed, like how to use the scanner and read a number. So using that concept, I'm reading the n value. Now the next thing, I need a loop which will change from 1 to n. Here I will prefer for loop. Int I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Before continuing the loop, the sum variables I have to declare before this one. ES and OS, odd sum and even sum. So odd sum and initializing with 0, comma, even sum initializing with 0. Okay, now we have to check that I value. If I percentage 2 equal to 0, what's the meaning of this one? Any even number is divisible by 2. That means, here I'll explain with example. I'm just taking a even number 4. Just try to divide this with 2. 2 times it will go 4 and balance is 0. So if we are taking any even number, balance will be 0. So that we are checking here. Just imagine like if you are taking any odd number, say 5 divided by 2, 5 divided by 2. 2 times it will go and balance will be 1. If you are taking any odd number, you will get a balance as 1. So that logic we are using here. So here this will be true if I is even. So I can say even sum plus equals I. If it is not even, then of course it should be odd number. So that I can directly add to the OS variable. No need to cross check it again. Now after the loop, print those values. Odd sum, which is saved inside the OS value, and even sum, that is saved inside the ES. Now run and check the value program. Here I'm giving 4 again. Here I got a like wrong answer because inside our for loop there is a small mistake. You can see like instead of equal symbol it changed into minus. So I'll just changing that value. Okay, now the program we can check again. So it was a small mistake, so I'm running it again and giving the value 4. Now see the result. Odd sum is 4 and even sum is 6. Program is correct, right? So this is a solution for the first question. Now we will try another one. I need to find out the sum of n numbers. It's not natural or counting numbers. N numbers I'm saying. That means just imagine you have to add 4 numbers. Then that 4 different numbers we have to give inside a loop. That may be different. For example, it may be 8, 2, 3, 10, like that. Some different numbers which is given by the user. So I need to find out a solution for this one. I need to read the numbers n times, so that reading step should be inside a loop. Okay, and 4 times it should work. So that is easy. We can write a normal loop over there. So we will just check that program. So I'm using the previous one itself, and inside that I have to find out the sum of numbers. So I will just declare a variable called s itself, and this is changing from 1 to n. So this much is okay, and we need to print the sum value. So others I'm just deleting. Now we have to read the numbers again and again, right? So the reading step I'm just copy pasting inside my loop, and will save read that numbers in a temporary variable. So here this loop will work n times, and n times it will ask for the number. So I'm just changing the prompt actually. Better to give a different prompt so that it will be easy to understand. First I'm entering a limit over there, then we'll read number one by one, and that will ask enter number only. First it will ask for the n value for enter limit and enter number one by one. Now we got a t value, and that should be added with s. So s equal to s plus t, and we can print that value. Now we'll just check this program, running this program, entering a limit as 3. We'll just give three different numbers over there. 5, 20 and 10 I am giving. 5 plus 20, 25, 25 plus 10, 35. So answer is correct. We got the solution for this one. Now we'll try another question. I need to find out the sum of digits. So this is like little bit complicated if you are comparing with the previous ones. Here sum of digits means like, just imagine like my n value is 123. So I have to find out the sum of digits, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, and that is equal to 6. So first I need to separate my digits, and those digits I have to add. So how to separate the digits? That we have to find out. There is an easy solution for that. You have to just divide with 10. If you are trying to divide with any number with 10, then your quotient will be the number which will not have the last digit. And if you are taking the remainder, you will get the last digit. I will explain with an example. Take this 123 again. We have to get the 3. That's the last digit, right? Then trying to divide with 10. 1 time 10, balance is 23. Again 2 times it will go 20, and balance is 3. Now see this one. This is our quotient, and this is our remainder. So if you are trying to divide with 10, you will get the remainder as the last digit, and if you want to terminate the last digit, just take the quotient value. So we will check this through the program. So we are just reading the n value. Now what we have to do? We have to save the last digit in some variable. So I'll just declare a digit variable over there. Initially we'll set it as 0, and we need to find out the sum of digits. So I'm just giving sum of digits SD equal to 0. Here I'm using a exit control loop, because anyway first we have to do the calculation first, then only we will check whether the number is existing or not. First we have to do that operation, divide by 10 and terminate the last digit, then only we will check whether that number is gone or not. First I have to get the quotient, that is n percentage 10. I will get the quotient over there. Then I have to terminate the last digit, n divided by equals 10, n equal to n divided by 10. Then need to add that digit, sum of digits plus equals d. Now I need to check whether I should continue or not. For that, n not equal to 0 we can check. Now print the result. Here sum of digits, that is SD. First I'll just run and check the program, then we'll give the explanation again. Here just giving 123, we are getting 6. Answer is correct, right? Now using the program, I will explain this again. N value we are taking as 123 again, or any other number you can. Now see this loop. This contains D, N and SD. All the three variables are changing actually. Okay. Now we'll start from the first line. D equal to n percentage 10. N is 123. If you are using percentage 10, as I said, we will get the last number as the balance. So D value will be 3 here. Now n equal to n divided by 10. We are taking the quotient actually. Quotient will be the number which will not have the last digit. So from 123 we will get 12. Then ST equal to ST plus D. SD is 0 actually initially. So 0 plus D value 3. So we will get 3. and we are cross checking whether the n is 0 or not. Here n is not 0, so the loop will continue. Condition is true, so it will continue. T equal to n percentage 10. Now n is 12. Last digit is 2. And we are avoiding the last digit here inside the next line. And that digit is adding into the SD value. So 3 plus 2. We are getting 5 over there. N is not equal to 0. Condition is true again. Now this should repeat again. Last digit. One last digit is 1. And here we are avoiding the last digit. If 1 is avoiding, then we will get 0 only. Then add the D to SD. 1 plus 5, that is 6. And cross checking n is 0 or not. Here condition is false, program will be terminated. And this is going to print the D value, SD value. And it will print 6 as the result. I think you got the working method. Now we will modify this question and we'll try to find out a question next solution. As a next question, I'm trying Armstrong or not. So first we need to know like what is Armstrong number. As an example, I'm taking 153. First we have to check what is Armstrong number. If you're taking the sum of digits cubes and that sum is equal to the original number, then it's an Armstrong number. With example I'm explaining, the number is given here 153. Take the cube of 1 plus take the cube of 5 plus take the cube of 3. Now we will write the values. 1 cube is 1. 5 cube, 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5 is 125. 3 cube, 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. Now we have to add these numbers. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. So 3. Balance is 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. And this one. So this is a sum of digits cubes. And this is equal to the original number. So this 153 is an Armstrong number. Now we will try to implement this using the program. Here we have the previous program which were already separating the digits. So here you can see like this is separating the digit and it's avoiding this one. Now instead of adding that digit, we have to add the cube of the digit. For that I can write d into d into d. Now one more thing, like I need to cross check this sum is equal to the original number. But inside this program that n value is changing into 0. So last time I will not get the value. So complete this program, I need to save that n value temporarily somewhere else. Now n contains that value. Now I can cross check if this temporary value, that is initial n value, that is equal to the sum of digits. If these are correct, then I can print my n value. Actually n value is 0, so I'm using the t. Is Armstrong number. I can say t is Armstrong number. Else I can say this is not Armstrong number. Run the program. Here I'm just giving the 153 again. It's an Armstrong number. If I'm checking with some other number, for example like 125, it's not Armstrong number. Okay, I think you got the idea. Now we will try to find out solution for another question. I need to reverse a given number. So how to do this one? For example, just imagine my n value is 123 and my reverse value should be 321. That's the reverse. So how to do this one? We have to separate the digits. So here I'm just trying to check how to do this one. First is I will get the 3. That logic we already know how to take the last digit. Then next digit will be 2. But it's not possible to add 3 plus 2. Means it's not, we should not get the value 5. We should get 32. How to do that one? If you are multiplying with 10 and adding 2, you will get 32, right? 30 plus 2. Next time also you have to repeat the same thing. 32 into 10 plus the digit. So you will get 321. So this logic we will try to apply there. Here I'm just declaring the variable for d equal to 0. We'll get a digit. Then reverse I want to save inside the R. Here I'm using the previous program itself. So this is digit separating and this is the terminating line. Now R should be updated with R into 10 plus D semicolon. And reverse I will print from here itself. Reverse is R. First we'll run and check this program. and we'll explain the working again. Here I'm just giving 1 to 23. Yes, I'm getting the result over there. Now we will try to explain this way. Inside the n, we given 123, right? Then we'll start from the loop itself. Here d is there, n is there, r is there. So I can write the d over there, n over there, and r over there. D value, our input value is 123. So this will give the last digit, that is 3. And this will terminate the last digit, that will be 12. Then see r into 10. Here r is 0. 0 into 10 is 0. 0 plus d. So that is 0 plus 3 is 3. Then n not equal to 0 condition is true. Again it should go to this line. Again it will take the last digit. 12 last digit is 2 and balance is 1. Now r into 10. Current value of r is 3. 3 into 10 is 30. 30 plus d, 32. Again checking n is not equal to 0. Condition is true. Should take the last digit. Then terminate the last digit. 32 into 10, 320. 320 plus d, 321. Now the condition is false. The program will terminate and this will print the r value. Reverse is r value and that is 321. I think the solution is clear for you. Now I'm giving a questions to you guys. You have to find out whether the given number is palindrome or not. Palindrome means like the numbers which we can read from right and left in same way. For example, if I'm writing 121, you can read 121 from the left side or from the right side. If I'm writing some numbers like this is 123, but here is 321. So reverse is not same. So this is not palindrome and this is palindrome. Try to use your logic and try to find out the answer of this one. Now I'm trying to find out a solution for another question. I need to print Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is nothing like it will start from 1 and we have to add this number with the previous number. You will get the next number. Here before 1 there is an imaginary 0. So 0 plus 1 you will get 1 again. Again now 1 plus 1 you will get 2. 2's previous number is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. So this will go like this one. So this we have to find out. First I will write the program and will explain that. Inside the program we will try to print the first n Fibonacci series numbers. N Fibonacci series. So I'm using a loop which will iterate 1 to n. Now to print the series, I'm declaring some variables over there. Int a equal to 1. I will explain after completing the program. B equal to 1 and c equal to 0. Here I'll try to print a value in same line. So I'm just giving some space after the digit. Then c equal to a plus b, a equal to b, b equal to c. First I'll just check whether this one is working or not. Running the program and giving 5. 5 numbers are there and the series is correct. Again running the program will give that limit as 10. See this. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. Like that it's printing correctly. So solution is correct. Now I'll explain the same thing. Just imagine like we are trying to give the n value as 5. That means I need to print the 5 numbers. So here I is there to control the loop and this will work 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 times it will work. This I think I don't want to explain because it's already explained previously. Now the variables. C is there, A is there and B is there. And inside the loop itself we have one printing statement. So I'll just write the printing statement somewhere here. What it will print, that will write somewhere there. Now see this. First time it's printing the A value and that is 1, right? So I'll write 1 over here, right? Then C equal to A plus B. C equal to A plus B. A and B is 1. 1 plus 1, I will get 2, right? Then A equal to B. B value is 1. So A value again 1. B equal to C. C value is 2. So I will write over here. Next time it's printing A again and A last value is 1. So again 1 we have to print. Again it's coming C equal to A plus B. A plus B. 1 plus 2 is 3. A equal to B. That is 2. B equal to C. Always from right to left assignment. B equal to C. C value I have to write inside the B. 3. Again this will work and it will print the A value. A values, last values 2. C equal to A plus B. 2 plus 3, 5. A equal to B. B values 3. B equal to C. C values 5. Again it should work and it should print the A value. And last A value is 3. C equal to A plus B. 3 plus 5, 8. A equal to B. B values 5. B equal to C. C values 8. Again it should work. A value. A values last 5. C equal to A plus B. 5 plus 8 is 13. A equal to B. 8. B equal to C. 13. So only 5 times it will work and we are getting 5 numbers from the series. And if you are repeating this program, again next value will be like 8 and 13. So you can try yourself this one. We are winding up today's class. Please like the channel, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.